Hello. So in this video of Cooking for Health, we are going to discuss how cooking came into picture. So as we discussed in the last video, humans were using their software, their senses to understand what was the right food for their body, their hardware. And this is what every other species, every other organism does it. The food is there in nature for the need of every species, and every species have been given this intelligence and senses to identify the right food for themselves. Now, once upon a time when we were hunting and gathering our food, we were foraging every single day, we were no different than animals. There was no such kind of life we were having, which we are having today. At that time it was very simple life. That morning, get up, go to the jungle, forage the food, come back, cherish upon whatever you have got, enjoy with your family, and go back to sleep. And this routine was every single day. Now some of you might wonder and say that how boring was their life, but that is how it is meant to be. Like, we have created that a special feeling associated that we with human life, that this we are meant to just experience this beautiful world, to enjoy every single thing, enjoy this life and just do it. And to do that only, we are doing this whole chain, the cycle of actions which we are doing today. But originally it was this. Now I'm not going to discuss should we go back to that. That is not possible, I understand, but this is the original purpose of life, that to enjoy and experience the beauties of the life, the nature, the universe. So that way their life was not boring, they were ideally living their life. Now if you say that okay, their life was so easy, it was not easy also. So imagine the weather was sometime cold, sometime there was rain, there was something, still they have to go hunt for their food. There was no excuse that okay, today is this and I'm not going to work today, I'm not going to work. It was not a choice. You were not working for anyone, but you were working for your meeting your day-to-day need. And that was not difficult, like it was not burdensome, because you have no other choice at that time. And there were also fights between the groups. So this is their territory, might not be, but there might be fight between the groups also, that this is my territory, don't come to this. People might be doing that. So that way also it was not very easy. And there were animals also from which we have to safeguard ourselves, otherwise we might turn up their food while searching for our food. So they also had many challenges to enjoy that kind of life. Now to mitigate those challenges, and because we had that willpower, that intelligence, that we can think about solution, so there was problem and we thought okay, why not create certain solution around us which will solve this problem. And we don't have to go outside every single day, and on the time when the environment is not conducive, we can just sit back and relax at the home. So for those situations, they slowly and slowly started understanding different techniques by which they can grow food around them, turn food, for example grain and hard vegetables which we can't eat in the natural form, but they started cooking them so that they can eat it. And that's how the whole cooking culture came into picture. Now what to do now, we will understand in the next video of this series. But till then, understand what was the main essence of cooking. Cooking was to make you eat those food which was not originally for us, to change its form for us to better eat and assimilate the nutrient from it. So cooking is not a luxury, it is not a liability. It was just a process to make your life much easier at those times.